whispered logic puzzles. Thank you for joining me. I'm Andrea, and I'm going to play through the logic grid puzzle called Winter Forecasts. The local TV weatherman, Freddie Flight, has only an hour to prepare tomorrow's winter weather forecasts. Using only the clues that follow, match each town to its predicted snowfall in inches, as well as its anticipated high and low temperatures. Clue number 1. The town with a forecasted high of 32 degrees will get 1 more inch of snow than the town with the forecasted low of 15 degrees. So, forecasted high of 32 degrees will get 1 more inch of snow, so it can't be the lowest. Then the one with the forecasted low of 15 degrees, so that can't be the most. And a low of 15 does not go with a high of 32. Okay. Often we'll get 4 fewer inches of snow than the location with the forecasting high of 24 degrees. So often 24 degrees, and we'll get 4 inches less of snow. So if there was 6, it would be 2, so it can only be 1 or 2 inches. Then the location with the forecasted high of 24 degrees. So with the high of 24 degrees, we'll get 4 inches more. So it has to be 5 or 6 inches here. Clue number 3. Of the location with a forecasted high of 24 degrees and Smith River, one is expected to receive 4 inches of snow, and the other has a forecasted low of 8 degrees. Okay, so 24 degrees is not Smith River. And 4 inches is not 8 degrees. Okay. Clue number 4. Of Wayland and the town with a forecasted high of 29 degrees, one is expected to receive 6 inches of snow, and the other has a forecasted low of 19 degrees. So, Wayland is not the one with the high of 29. And 6 inches of snow is not with a low of 19. Clue number 5. Fillmore and the town with the forecasted high of 24 degrees are different towns. So Fillmore is not 24. Clue number 6. Of Jackman and the location that will get 3 inches of snow. One has a forecasted low of 10 degrees, and the other has a predicted high of 29 degrees. Okay, so Jackman is not 3 inches, and a low of 10 degrees is not a high of 29. Clue number 7. The town with a forecasted high of 29 degrees doesn't have a forecasted low of 12 degrees. not the most. Let's see. So it's not the most, and the one with 10 degrees is not the least. Clue number 9. Wayland will get 1 less inch of snow than the location with a forecasted high of 28 degrees. So Wayland is not a forecast of 28. And Wayland will get less snow, so it's not the maximum. And 28 degrees will not get the middle. Okay. Got a little bit of information there. Let's go ahead and start over. Number 1. The town with the forecasted high of 32 degrees will get 1 more inch of snow than the town with the forecasted low of 15 degrees. 32, 15. Okay. Clue number 2. Often will get 4 fewer inches of snow than a location with a forecasted high of 24 degrees. Often is not 24 degrees. Snow. Okay, clue number 3. Of the location with a forecasted high of 24 degrees and Smith River, 1 is expected to receive 4 inches of snow. Wait, you know what? The one that's 24 degrees can't be 4 inches of snow. So Smith River get 4 inches of snow. And the other has a forecasted low of 8 degrees. So 8 degrees goes with the 24. Okay. Clue number 4. Of Wayland and the town with a forecasted high of 29 degrees. 1 is expected to receive 6 inches of snow. Wayland is not expected to receive 6 inches of snow. And the other has a forecasted low of 19 degrees. So Wayland would be 19 degrees. And the one with the high of 29 will get 6 inches. That means 24 degrees is 5 inches. And 24 degrees is 8 degrees, so that's right there, 5 inches. Let's see. Okay. Clue number 5. Fillmore and the town with the forecasted high of 24 degrees are different towns. Well, the high of 24 degrees is the low of 8, so it can't be Fillmore. And 24 degrees, 8, not Fillmore. Okay. Clue number 6. Of Jackman and the location that will get 3 inches of snow. 1 has a forecasted low of 10 degrees, and the other a predicted high of 29. So Jackman could have a low of 10 degrees. It could. And it could have a high of 29. Okay, 3 inches of snow. It could get down to 10 degrees, but it could not get up to 29. So Jackman, when I look over here, 13, 15, or 19. Oh, one thing interesting. Jackman. Okay. Jackman can't be the 10 degrees or the 8 degrees, so I can put X right there. Okay. Clue number 7. The town with a forecasted high of 29 degrees doesn't have a forecasted low of 12 degrees. So high of 29 is not a low of 12. So it's a low of 13. 29 degrees. 13 right there. Which is Jackman. Jackman. So I'll go right there. And then 13 degrees down here. Okay. Well, that was good. Clue number 8. The town with a forecasted high of 25 degrees will get somewhat less snow than the town with a forecasted low of 10 degrees. So I have 25 degrees. Get less snow than the one that's forecasted 10 degrees, which is 3 inches, so 25 degrees is 1 or 2 inches. Okay. Clue number 9. Wayland will get 1 less inch of snow than the location with the forecasted high of 28 degrees. Wayland will get 1 inch less than the one with the high of 28 degrees. Well, the highest this could be is 4. So Wayland could be 3, 2, or 1. So it can't be 5. That means 5 inches is Van Horn. Okay. Which is also 8 degrees for the low. And 24 degrees for the high. Okay, so we've got a decent amount that time through. Let me just glance at this, see if there's anything. Okay, I'm looking be 4 inches. So this could either be 2 or 3. And that means that 4 inches is a low of 12, which is Smith River is 12. That means Houghton is 15. Okay. Alright. Clue number 2. Houghton will get 4 fewer inches of snow than the location with a forecasted high of 24 degrees. 24 degrees is 5 inches. So Houghton will be 1 inch, which makes Wayland 2 inches. Okay, so 1 inch, 15 degrees. And that will make 2 inches Wayland, 19 degrees. Okay, let's see, Fillmore. 28, 31, 32. 28, 31, 32. So be 25, 28, 31, 32. 25 or 31. So I can X out a couple of those. And then this column, Smith River 4 inches. 28, 31, 32. 28, 31. But not 32. And then Wayland 2 inches. 25, 31, 32. 25, 28, 31, 32. X out that. And then, okay, so 3 inches is Fillmore. That comes over here to the 10 inches. And that goes down to 28, 31, 32. Yep, and then Houghton is 15. And this is 25, 28, 31. It's not 28. Okay. And Smith River is 12 inches. 25, 28, 31, 32. It's actually just 28 or 31. Okay. And Wayland, just 2 inches. 19 degrees. 25, 28, 31, 32. 25, 21, 31, 32. Okay. So I think I've got all of that information figured out there. Clue number 3. Of the location with the forecasted high of 24 degrees and Smith River. This is Smith River. One is expected to receive 4 inches of snow, and the other has a forecasted low of 8 degrees. So this is 8 degrees and Smith River 4 inches. I think that one's done. Clue number 4. Of Wayland and the town with a forecasted high of 29 degrees. 29 degrees. One is expected to receive 6 inches of snow. 29, 6 inches of snow. And the other a forecasted low of 19 degrees. Okay, I've got everything there. Clue number 5. Fillmore and the town with a forecasted high of 24 degrees are different towns. Okay, yep. That one's Van Horn and Fillmore. Clue number 6. Of Jackman and the location that will get 3 inches of snow. So Jackman has a forecasted low of 10 degrees. Yep, that would be Fillmore. And the other predicted high of 29 degrees. That's Jackman.